Good evening, guys. My name is Jose Tatum, and I'm here today to talk to you about this air purifier. I have a friend who has a young daughter, and she has asthma. And her main concern is when she's sleeping at night that she's breathing in harmful particles that may be in the air. So I have here the Ionic Pro Turbo that I will attempt to sell to her by showing her some of the benefits and features of this product. Now, the first feature I want to point out is that it has a control settings panel, which will allow you to set the machine to run all day, or you can set it to run or to come on at a specified time. So say if you wanted to come on 2 hours before your child actually goes to sleep. So if you get busy, caught up in doing other things, and your child is already sleeping, you can feel good because you know that the machine is already going to turn on. The second feature about this product is that it actually kills germs, bacteria, and other particles that may be in the air. So with this machine running, there will always be fresh, clean air circulating in your child's room. So you can rest easy knowing that she's sleeping in a clean environment and that she's going to get a good night's rest. Now, the third feature that I want to point out about this machine here is that it has an automatic kill switch. So that means if the child is playing around and accidentally bump it over, the machine will automatically turn off, and there will be no electricity run to the machine. So if she have friends over, and some of them are being a little curious about the machine, if there's too much activity toward the machine, it will automatically turn off. So you can feel safe by having this product in your house. And this is the Ionic Pro Turbo. Thank you.